Hey it's your girl Booya and welcome back to my channel. For today's look, it is inspired by Rihanna's Vogue cover with the Truth makeup look. Thank you so much, Julia, for suggesting a Q&A video, and for Pia for suggesting Rihanna's Vogue cover. Before we head on to the video, my boos and I launched this Facebook group called the Internet Buddies. So this is where the Boo fam gather, make new friends, share beauty tips, and even share memes for entertainment. So if you want to be a part of this group, just click the link down in the description box below. Also, if you have any makeup or beauty questions that you want to ask me, you can go ahead and message me on my Instagram account. It's at @makeupbybooya. My DM is open 24/7 for all beauty questions that you have for me. So since this is going to be a long creative process, I plugged in my earphones and tuned into one of my favorite channels of mine, which is Transformation Church. God's work in Transformation Church has helped me grow so much in my spiritual walk with God. So if you're also looking into deepening your relationship with Christ, I highly suggest that you check out their channel. I will be linking down their channel in the description box below. First question, have you ever been in love? Romantically speaking, I haven't been in love, but in many different ways, I have been in love. I'm in love with my friends, I'm in love with my career, I'm in love with my art, I'm in love in many different ways. So yes, I have been in love, but romantically speaking, no, not yet. Next question is, what app did I use when I started in my YouTube journey? I actually used Windows Movie Maker. I didn't have the skills and knowledge back then to use Adobe Premiere. That's why I only used Windows Movie Maker because it was the easiest app to learn. Next question, what do you look for in a potential partner? I'm looking for someone who is driven, someone who is passionate, someone who shares the same faith as I do, someone who is an encourager, a great teammate, a great partner in life. If you're familiar with Beyonce's song Upgrade You, that's basically the kind of relationship, somehow the kind of relationship that I'm looking for. A relationship that upgrades each other, a relationship that upgrades, uplifts, supports, not a competitive relationship. What and how do I feel right now that the Boo fam is growing? I'm actually very blessed to have such a creative, supportive, fun, friendly family. And it is indeed a family because people are uplifting each other, just like what I said with Beyonce's song, Upgrade You. People are upgrading each other, and that is the kind of relationship that I want to be in. May it be in a romantic relationship, in a family, or in a friendship, or in our community. So all of us can benefit from it, all of us can grow. And hopefully as our family continue to grow, as we continue to grow in numbers, may our love for each other grow even more. Have you ever felt that your will to do art died down? If so, how do you handle it? Yes, I absolutely have experienced this, and it is very normal to experience having your passion dry out, your will dry out. All you have to do is embrace it, take a break, refresh your mind, renew your mind, and go back with a fiery heart, with a more burning passion in you, and create good art. How do you spend your time this quarantine? Actually, I'm busier than usual this quarantine season. I have my work, I have YouTube, I'm starting up my podcast again. Where do you see yourself in 10 years? I see myself happily married. And both of us are traveling the world, and at the same time we have established businesses. Yes, married but no kids yet. I really want to establish businesses because I want to make more job opportunities for Filipinos. Advice to young people who are currently dealing with doubts in regard to pursuing their passion. Always go back to your why you started your channel, why you started making art, why you want to be a successful athlete, why you want to be a businesswoman. Go back to your why. Your why will be your compass and light to your goal. Pineapple on pizza, yes or no? I would have to say yes. Where did I get the name Booya? So I got my name from a high school friend of mine. So it was actually her term of endearment for me. Goals for this 2020. So my goal for this 2020 is hopefully I'll be able to reach 50,000 subscribers, fingers crossed, on YouTube. Learning more how to edit better, how to use motion graphics, how to edit better in Photoshop. So those are my goals. What was my greatest sacrifice in order to be where I am right now? I guess my greatest sacrifice would be letting go of my insecurities, letting go of anything that's holding me back. Before I started gaining success on my YouTube channel or my vlogging career, I've always been so insecure because I've been looked down. It hurt, but at the same time, I had to decide if I would keep on hurting or I would get over the hurt and push through my goals. What is the greatest accomplishment that you have achieved so far in your life? Having the honor of doing Pia Wurtzbach's makeup for her first ever movie that she starred in. So that movie was My Perfect You, and I was one of the main makeup artists for her movie, and I did most of her makeup there. She's really great, she's really kind, and she's one of the celebrities actually that I look up to because she's very down to earth. What are my favorite perfumes or scents? And what is my dream profession when I was a kid? So my favorite perfume is actually from Calvin Klein. It is their Euphoria. It is my go-to. I'm obsessed with that scent. And my dream profession would be a detective because I was heavily inspired by Nancy Drew. Next question is, do I sing? I don't sing, guys. Although I had a background in singing, I was supposed to be a singer, but that didn't push through. I used to speak with a baby voice, that small squeaky voice, and my mom heard it and she wasn't pleased at all, and she didn't want me to carry it in my adult years, and she trained me to speak with my stomach, and she wanted me to speak like Kula Desma. So Kula Desma was our inspiration for my voice. I don't sound like Kula Desma, but the manner of using the voice is based on Kula Desma. Tips to boost your self-confidence. Surround yourself with like-minded people, those people who aren't Debbie Downers, but those people who will upgrade you and support you. And that's why I recommend you guys to be a part of our Facebook group, which is called the Internet Buddies. When I doubt myself when it comes to vlogging, what do? I always remind myself with the quote, "Your vibe attracts your tribe." My doubt in vlogging usually is, would people watch this? Would people even care to listen to my voice? And I would always be reminded of the quote, no matter who you are, no matter what your personality is, no matter how much you think you're crappy, or no matter how much you think you're good, anybody's energy will attract someone else's energy as well. All you have to do is keep on reaching out, keep on producing the videos that you want to make, keep on producing the art that you want to make, and as long as you keep on doing it, keep on creating non-stop, people will naturally come because they will be naturally attracted to you. It's like having friends in real life. You attract those friends because of the vibe or the energy that you give out. Those people can't help but be attracted to you because you share the same or similar energy. So those are the questions that you sent to me. I'm sorry that I wasn't able to cover all of them, but hopefully you enjoyed and got to know me better. Again, thank you so much to my boos, Julia and Pia, for suggesting this video. Again, if you have any questions or requests for me, then you can always message me on my Instagram account. It's at Makeup by Booya. My DM is open 24/7 for any messages that you have for me. Also, if you want to be a part of the Boo Familia, then please do hit that subscribe tab below. And also, if you want to be a part of our Facebook group, the link will be down in the description box below. Thank you so much and see you on the next video.